All right, this one says solve by factoring. So first of all, we've got to set it equal to 0, which it is. We need to multiply A times C to find the factors that add up or subtract to B. So 5 times negative 24. I'm going to be lazy and use a calculator. 5 times negative 24 is 120. So we're looking for factors that I subtract to get negative 14. Signs are different. So 1 and 120, no. 2 and 60, no. 3 and 40, no. 4 and 30. 5 and 14. Does this one actually factor? Did I multiply that right? 120. It was because I said I multiplied that wrong. 5 times 24, 6 times 20. So those subtract to be 14. I need more negatives, so I need negative 20 to add up to negative 14. I'm going to replace my negative 14x with 6x and negative 20x. 5x squared plus 6x minus 20x minus 24 equals 0. Okay, factor by grouping. I get an x in each of these. Factor it out, I get 5x plus 6. I'm going to use that negative sign. What goes into both of those? 4. And if I did it right, it should be 5x plus 6. So negative 20 divided by negative 4 is 5. Negative 24 divided by negative 4 is 6. I factor out my 5x plus 6, and I get x minus 4. I should be able to get my answer right from here, but if not, zero product property, set them both equal to 0, and solve the equations. My solutions will be negative 6/5 and 4. Okay, so to review, factors of 5 times negative 24 is 120 that I subtract to get negative 14. Went down to my factors until I found one that I subtract to get 14. I needed more negatives for it to be negative 14. Replace the negative 14x with a 6 minus 20. Factor by grouping. First two, x goes into both of those. Second two, negative 4 goes into both of those. Should have the same thing left if we did it right. Factor out the 5x plus 6. I'm left with x minus 4. Set both terms equal to 0 and solve. I should be able to go from right here. Opposite of 6 divided by 5 is negative 6/5. Opposite of negative 4 is positive 4.